You let me just. Oh, you bastard, Danny.
What, you looked me up?
Yeah, but it wouldn't let me fire.
No, I lied about that. That's why we were being able to shoot each other earlier.
No, but I was trying to fire.
Well, I don't know.
Been a little bitch. Alright, Luke's taken off, so make sure you get him now.
Oh damn it, I just blew a load of my leg.
Oh Jesus.
Does the infinite ammunition work, right, for all things when you tick it in options? Does it work for all planes?
So it depends on what the server's set up to do, so I've set the server so that it's not unlimited ammo.
Oh, right, nice
But
one.
we can adjust that.
I'm not using labels, by the way.
Okay, that's honourable of you. I am.
Because I'm not scrum.
I will for now, but it is fucking easy in BR with labels, I've got to say.
I don't even know where you are. Like, are you at your base? Or... Oh no, wait, there is labels on. Oh, what a shame.
Did someone just crash into the sea?
I haven't.
That was Luke.
No, it wasn't.
Someone's just crashed into the sea.
Shoot. Shoot. Missile 12 o'clock
Oh,
low.
that's how.
Missile 12 o'clock low. Missile 3 o'clock high. Missile 3
Plus.
o'clock high.
Please stop.
Are you back up, Gagan?
Where are you? I don't even know. Have
I'm
you
over
turned
his
labels
base.
off?
No.
Shoot. Shoot.
I cannot see you guys.
What the fuck? Where's my labels?
One's got low. Oh, to me, haven't they? Oh, fuck.
Shoot. Shoot.
I can see Gagan. Annoyingly, I can't see fucking Luke.
Luke, did you just have lock on there?
Lock on someone.
And
It's
did you just
me.
watch me crash into the ground?
No?
Strange.
Shoot. Shoot.
Where's?
Overgy, overgy, overgy.
Don't give me this bullshit, Danny.
Overgy, overgy, overgy.
Winning tactic.
We're just gonna do this all day?
No, eventually I'll get you.
Shit.
Although I did fuck myself up because I used the air brake earlier, which
Missiles 6 o'clock high. Missiles 6 o'clock high. Missiles 6 o'clock high.
Overgy, 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 overgy. Overgy, overgy, overgy.
Missile 3 o'clock high.
damn it, run out of
Overgy,
missiles.
overgy, overgy.
Where are you, Gagan?
Overgy, overgy.
By the base.
Overgy.
Come back. Come, go north, north.
Overgy, overgy, overgy.
Where's the compass in this?
Overgy, 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 overgy. Overgy, overgy, overgy.
crash?
Overgy, overgy,
Who?
overgy,
No,
overgy,
he crashed.
overgy,
I think it was just a
overgy.
bit of a glitch.
Oh right, I see you guys finally. Jesus.
I'm screwed.
I probably shouldn't. Yeah,
I don't know, I've
probably
only got
shouldn't have
cannon,
said
so.
that.
Yeah, I'm backed out though.
Oh.
Overgy, overgy, overgy.
Go back, scrub. Oh,
I thought you were still going the other way. Fuck, I've got no speed.
neither have I.
Yeah, I'm literally just coming into. Is blue the enemy, right?
Yes, yes.
No,
shoot
red
blue.
is. Red's bad,
Shut up,
obviously.
mate.
Yes.
I can see Gagan. I'm gonna bring him towards you.
I can see him.
I'm fucking stalling to fuck.
Won't let me knock on. Is this the right mode?
What can you see in the HUD? Is
Shoot.
it like
Locked.
a circle,
Shoot.
lines?
This fire, you motherfucker. Definitely something wrong with this fire button. There's
If only you had a fucking missile, we'd be dead by now, motherfucker.
Ah.
Uh-oh.
there's two blue.
So missiles also show, his enemy missile show up as blue as well.
Oh fuck.
Shoot. Shoot.
Yeah, for some reason it's
Really
just not
quiet,
letting me
fuck.
fire.
This is like Crash, but I didn't. I got hit with a missile.
Overgy, overgy, overgy.
Yeah, it's down to you, Gagan.
Shoot.
Yeah, he's locked on,
Shoot.
but it's just not letting me fire. Like he's now.
Well, you can check it by pressing spacebar. That's
Overgy,
like the
overgy,
keyboard shortcut
overgy.
for fire.
Oh, okay. Ah, the